I've spent the better part of the last 3 hours arguing back and forth with Kiro and Codex and ChatGPT, so my brain is fried. But I've enjoyed using Codex so far, so I've been fiddling around with that, and so far the setup I've been using, which I've been enjoying, has been I'm using Kiro for the specs and the planning. It writes very thorough requirements and design docs. Now, some people say it over engineer stuff, but I think if you actually just go in and read the specs and just tell it, like, it does write some stuff which I disagree with sometimes, but I just tell it to correct that. But I find that because it outlines everything that it's going to do kind of in detail, step by step, in a very, it basically takes a very large task and takes it into little ones, which makes it then easier to use other AI agents to help out with that stuff. But yeah, so that's been pretty fun. But I guess as a broader update, today has just been spent mostly on client delivery work. I've been contracted actually for a little branding project with one of my clients. So this is something I really enjoy doing. It's not my main thing, certainly, and I don't intend to become a branding agency. But I've built actually a fair amount of brands, not huge ones or anything like that, but like in terms of designing brand messaging and stuff like that. And I've put together these things, and I've actually started to create a little portfolio almost by accident. So there was a client of mine who, we do development for them already. So we have a lot of trust, and they said they were looking into this stuff and they asked me to help out. So I'm doing some of that. I am delivering for this particular client on a back-end project, setting up some more outbound campaigns. So a couple weeks ago, talked about some outbound campaigns that showed some results that were very exciting. And then I haven't updated since. How come? Well, I just didn't run more stuff. The main reason being two things. Number one, I'm warming up new email domains because I don't want to get caught for spam and shit like that. The main issue with the outbound campaigns is in December, it's pretty terrible time to be sending loads of emails. So, to be honest, I just don't want to be sending lots of emails right now because I keep getting out of office replies and things like that. And I'm sending this, to major American cities. I know people will still reply, but I'd just rather send in Jan. I think it's a better kind of climate to do that. I'll have more email domains to send from. So I am setting up some campaigns, but they're not going to go live until Jan. So that's basically it. I'm going to leave this video as a little bit of a small update. Tomorrow I got a lot of packing to do. I got a lot of trips and family stuff over the next about 10 to 20 days. So I'm trying to pack in as much work as I can in between. Sorry for that shaky camera stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Leave any questions. And I need to make a proposal template for you guys. I know you've been asking for that in the comments. So I will get around to that eventually. That just might come in January because I'm a little bit busy right now. Sorry about that. Anyway, have a good rest of your day wherever you're watching this from.